Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off appear on top option for our applications in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this option? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for our applications menu right here, and we need to tap three dots menu, and here special access. And here it is, as you can see, appear on top option. So what does it do? As we can see from a short explanation, this permission allows an app to show things on top of other applications you are using. This may interfere with your use of other apps, etc. But we can deny this option for any application that we want in this menu. No need to save, just back out, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.